In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote affiliate links on Reddit without getting banned. Reddit has over 3 billion visits per month, but if you drop your links directly, you will get banned instantly, okay? So how you can do it right way. In this video, I'll show you how to turn Reddit into free traffic machine that print affiliate commissions without breaking the rules. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions using Reddit, okay? So what you need to do, guys, first, step number one, you need to create an affiliate account. So you need to join an affiliate program business that you can work with and start making commissions using Reddit free traffic, okay? So step number one, go to Google and search for this one. So for me, I'm working with this one, guys, with Fiverr. You can go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address and that's it. And after you finish, this will be your home page. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, go to company over here and click on affiliates like this, and you will be in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, guys, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr, because we will start promoting services, and how much you will earn, you can get idea from here, okay? So to create your affiliate account, just click over here on join now, and here you go. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do is just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country from here and choose your language, okay? So the sign up process is super easy and simple. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, guys, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Reddit to get commissions, okay? So how we can choose good services? You will go back to your Reddit account, go back to your Reddit homepage and click on the search here. So for example, I'm gonna search for logo designer like this. Search for this keyword, logo designer. Click here on all time and choose just today. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so here you go. You will find here a lot of people searching for logo designer, hiring for commission, logo design, okay? Logo design idea generate method, okay? If I scroll more, I have here logo and menu design, design it and print my logo, help designing logo for hire. You guys can see, you will find here people search for logo designer, okay? So what you will do next for you, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage and click on the search and search for logo design service, okay? So we'll promote this service that people are already searching for on Reddit. Search for logo design, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. So please pay close attention. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like level 1 seller or level 2 sellers or top rated sellers. So those sellers will be good sellers for you. So for example, I'm going to choose like this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on this one. I will choose this one. And here you go. As you can see, guys, this seller has 185 order in queue, okay, which is really good. Over 10,000 reviews, over 10,000 people paid for this service on Fiverr, which is a really good one, okay? So this service is a good one, okay? So what I will do, I will copy the profile link of this seller. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account, click on your dashboard, click on, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this link on Reddit. So let's go to Reddit. You just need to come to Reddit over here to this page and just scroll down and choose and search for people who are searching for logo designer. Okay, so I will scroll down. You can see here for hire people, and if I scroll more, let me show you. Over here we have graphic, for example, like this one, logo for feedback, graphic designer needed, like this one is searching for logo designer. I will click on this one. Okay, just click on the Reddit post over here and you will be in this page like this. As you can see, what you will do next, you will click here on join conversation. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to create a professional and friendly message and with your affiliate link, and you can send this to this person who search for logo designer. I need graphic designer, you see. So which is really good. So what I will do, I will put here, if you, okay, if you are looking for professional graphic, if you are searching for professional graphic designer, okay, to make logo, check this top rated, okay, rated seller on Fiverr, okay, like this. And what I will do is I need to put my affiliate link here. So what I will do, guys, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you over here, and I will copy my affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long, so I will make it short link. You guys can go to Google and search for short URL like this, and if you scroll down, you will find a lot of website that makes long links short links. Okay, you just need to put your link here and click on shorten like this, and here you go. Copy this. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly on Reddit. If you do that, your account can get suspended. So it's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, so inside your affiliate website or landing page, put your services that you want to promote and put the link of your website here. Okay, like this. So I put, for example, I put my affiliate link here. So what you will do, let me show you. Edit. This is the link. You will remove this. Okay, here I will click on save like this. Okay, and click on comment, and your message with your link will be sent to this person who search for logo designer. That's exactly how you can promote affiliate links on Reddit. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.